Hello and welcome to another short video where hopefully you'll learn something useful in Italian in a very short time. In this video, we'll look at some of the most useful Italian expressions that use the verb avere. Many Italian expressions use the verb avere, meaning to have, whereas the same expressions in English would use the verb essere, meaning to be. For example, in English, we would say, I am hungry. We use the verb to be because in English, being hungry is a state of being. In Italian, however, we don't say, I am hungry. We say, I have hunger. We use the verb avere, to have, because in Italian, hunger is something that we have. Ho fame. There are many other Italian expressions that use the verb avere rather than the verb essere. For example, avere sete, to have thirst. Again, in Italian, we have thirst rather than being thirsty. Ho sete. In Italian, being hot and cold work in the same way. For example, in English, we say to be warm or to be cold, whereas in Italian we would say to have warmth or to have cold. Ho caldo. Ho freddo. To talk about our age, we also use the verb avere in Italian, unlike English that uses essere. For example, in English we would say, I am 53, whereas in Italian we would say, I have 53 years. Ho 53 anni. Being scared is another good example. For example, in English we would say to be scared, whereas in Italian we would say to have fear. Ho paura. If we take a look at the examples in this video, we'll notice that in English we usually use the verb essere, to be, followed by an adjective. I'm hot, I'm hungry, I'm scared. Whereas in Italian we mainly use the verb avere, to have, followed by a noun. Ho caldo, I have warmth. Ho fame, I have hunger. Ho paura, I have fear. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, as it really does help the channel. Thanks for watching. A presto.